We thank God that this case has successfully come to successfully completed the hearing today, and the next stage is for us to go into writing of addresses. Well, you must have. I'm sure that you know that INEC called one witness, closed their case. Second and third respondents called one, closed their case. APC had no courage to call any, and they closed their case. The witness for the second and third, the only thing I can say, I encourage you people, look for his deposition, place it side by side with the cross-examination. You make up your minds and find out whether the two of them are consistent. I don't want to go further into that. You can do the investigation. So I can tell you that we are happy the way and manner the hearing ended. We are very ready to react to the addresses of the respondents, which they must file in the next 10 days from today. Thereafter, we will file our reply. Thank you. God bless you all.
Notice you were very careful touching on membership Can you tell us why? You didn't ask questions regarding
Now, it's very simple. The membership of His Excellency P2B has been determined by the Federal High Court, and they went on to Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal confirmed the decision of the Federal High Court. So it's a no issue. It's a judgment in rem. It's a no issue. So we don't want to edify anybody by joining issues with something that does not exist. It's as simple as that. So I'll be surprised if they are not aware of these two judgments. If they are not aware of these two judgments, then it's not our fault. It's their fault. So that's it.
Thank you very much.
President is among key grounds Atiku Abubakar has faulted Tinubu's victory at the polls. To clear all doubts, Tinubu therefore tendered as exhibit bundles of his academic records, including an offer of admission to establish his attendance and graduation at the Chicago State University. Tinubu, through his lead lawyer, Wole Olanipekun, also tendered his US visa and immigration documents which indicated that he visited the United States of America unhindered between 2011 and 2021. These he tendered to debunk allegations of criminality contained in the petition against him, as he also made available to the court documents of the Nigeria Immigration Service which cleared him for trips to the US. Also admitted as exhibit is a letter from the US Embassy dated April 4, 2003, which claims Tinubu had no criminal records in reply to a letter of the Nigerian police seeking closure on criminal allegations on the then Lagos State Governor. And to address the controversy of securing 25% of votes in the FCT, the then APC presidential candidate tendered copy of reports of the Committee on the Location of Federal Capital of Nigeria. These and other documents were admitted in spite of objections against their admissibility by Atiku Abubakar of the PDP. Meanwhile, the court has adjourned to Wednesday, 5th July for continuation of hearing, with Tinubu scheduled to begin calling of witnesses. Earlier, electoral body INEC closed its case after calling one witness, Lawrence Bayode, the deputy director of its IT department. The witness had, during cross-examination, said, among other things, that the glitch during the presidential election didn't affect the overall outcome, stressing that INEC had fail-safe measures to check human interference.
The whole structure of this election and the problems with the election is based on technology. And today INEC has called their IT director, who came to, justify what INEC did by way of what they said, the glitches that occurred, how they tried to fix the glitches, how they deployed patches to fix the glitches. So apart from this issue of technological glitches, there would have been no problem with the election. The election would have been transparent, would have been credible, would have been as Nigerians expected. Because I'm sure every Nigerian who voted knew what the result of the election ought to have been.
Hearing of the Labour Party's petition continues Wednesday, 5th of July.